Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm showing you how to change spark plugs in the Norwood HD36. I have the old version and the 23 horsepower Briggs Stratton V-twin. For anybody who's wondering how to do this, it's not hard at all. What you need is 5/8 inch deep socket because for some reason an actual spark plug socket doesn't fit in here for some reason, so I found it works great to just use a 5/8 inch deep socket, or you can also use 16mm. First of all, you just pull this out right here and then get in there with your 5/8 inch socket. I like to use an extension and just loosen that up. Doesn't take much to loosen it, and then you can just unscrew it with your finger the rest of the way. And once you got the old one out, grab the new one. This is a Briggs Stratton part number 694385. Put that back in there. Finger tighten it, then take your ratchet and just give it a little bit of tightness. You don't want much. And then just repeat the process for the other side and you're good to go. Here is the parts I'm putting in there. I wasn't sure if these are the right ones. It says fits most Briggs Stratton OHV's engines, so I'm going to try those. And if you don't have the Briggs Stratton brand, you can also use NGK part number BKR5E. I have used those before and those are pretty good. So that's all there is to it. It's not much really. So hopefully you found this helpful. Like and subscribe for more videos.